This is absolutely fucking crazy. Branch is breaking over there. Crazy. I should not be out here right now. This is nuts. This is fucking crazy. Look at this shit. That tree over there just snapped. Fucking rain like crazy. Holy shit. A fucking hurricane. My fucking garden better survive. Holy shit. Oh my god. Fucking better survive. Absolute nuts. Dude, I'm in the middle of a fucking major storm. Holy shit. Wow. That whole tree just snapped right there. Give me a little more sunlight in here, that's for sure. That was nuts. Unbelievable. Holy crap. Where the fuck did it come from now? Where the fuck it came from? Look at this thing. Why is it down? I wouldn't be walking through here. That's why we're out with electric. That was absolute nuts. Now the skies are clearing. Definitely a tornado. Fire trucks in the background. Alarms going off. And I probably lost some fucking vegetables, but what are you gonna do? Definitely lost the corn. You can see it came out. Son of a bitch. You know, maybe I could fix it. I don't know. I've never experienced that in my life. I have no idea what I lost in the garden, but lost some corn. Hope the pumpkins are okay. There they go. Looking for rescue. Absolute berserkness. Some fire department bastard grabbed that tree from over there to help them out. Grabbed the fucking tree in front of my house. Swear to God. That's not taken care of. I'm gonna cut it up 2 feet squares, put it in someone's living room. Look how quick these guys come. That's what the benefit is of being in a village.
Channel 12 going around, so we'll probably be on TV.
Yeah, we got no electric though.
Really?
Zero, nothing.
Yeah, excellent.
I got 3 bars on my phone. That's gonna get me through the night.
Gonna plug it into the car. Also, it's between those 2 trees right there.
Yeah, yeah. And some guy dragged it in front of the house to get it out of the way of the driveway. Blow it out in the street. $10 p.m. No electric. No idea what that truck's doing down there. Lipa. Hopefully hard at work getting this shit fixed. So I get electric. That is absolute nuts. I don't know if you're seeing it. I don't even know if these people are home.